Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with Knowledgehut.
Hello and welcome to Knowledgehut. In this video, we will see all the necessary steps needed to implement Scrum successfully in your team. So let us begin. Step 1. Be ready with your product backlog. This is a very essential step in Scrum implementation. To start this up, you have to identify your product owner, who can actively work with the stakeholders and create a product backlog, which contains requirements that can deliver value and also are prioritized as per the market need. A product owner takes up the ownership of the product backlog. During the development phase, the teams might encounter some requirements which were not covered in the backlog but are needed, so the team has the right to add items on the backlog, but only the product owner can prioritize them. Step 2. Let's build our team. Defining a Scrum team is again a crucial step, as this is the team who is required to work closely bound and deliver a quality product. The team will comprise of 5 to 9 team members, which include developers, testers, support, designers, business analysts, etc. All the members in the team will work towards a common goal as set in the commitment. Usually, we strive for creating a cross-functional and self-organizing team. Getting the former is quite easy and doable, but don't worry if making them self-organized is taking time. Don't panic. It takes a lot of effort and time to churn out a self-organized team. Step 3. Who will be our Scrum Master? So far, we have the product backlog and the team to work on it. But where is the person who will make this go smoothly without interruptions? Who will make sure the team is encouraged and being involved productively? Who will make sure the team realizes their potential? In short, let's get a Scrum Master. The Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum team is effective and progressive. The person will help the team in planning the work for the coming sprints. Step 4. Here comes time boxing. When we talk about Scrum, we talk about sprints. A sprint is a time box for the Scrum team to commit and deliver items in a short span of time. It usually ranges between a week to a month. Whatever the length has been locked for the team, it stays the same throughout. The sprint starts with a commitment from a team on the backlog items. They develop, code, test, etc., and provide a demonstration at the end of the sprint. The sprint closes with a retrospective ceremony where the team reflects on what went well and how they can improve further. Step 5. First drive with the sprint. The sprint starts with the first gear, sprint planning. Here the team picks items from the list. They get their sprint goal and start working on the items. During the course of the sprint, the team will regroup each day for a quick meetup called Daily Scrum to talk about their progress and if there's anything blocking their path of delivery. Once in a while, they will stop by to talk about the next inline items for the upcoming sprint, which is called the backlog grooming. On the closure day, the team will demo the items they have worked on to the stakeholders or the product owner. The sprint completes with the last regrouping called the retrospective, where they inspect how they did and work on the ideas to make it better by adapting to it. Step 6. Measuring success. It is really important to measure our success and failures. It gives us a chance to improve. This applies to Scrum as well. Here we talk about our burn-down charts. The Scrum Master can understand, just by looking at the burn-down, how the team did, the scope change, the blockers, and how the team adapted to the new environment. It should be one of the goals for a team to reach 0 by the end of the sprint in the chart. So these were the 6 steps to implement Scrum effectively in your team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos, and visit our website for all Scrum-related certifications.